Hi, I'm Christy with Stitchin' Heaven, and today we have a brand new project. It's called Sew Itty Bitties. So this is what they look like when they're done. So they're little miniature quilts. They are cute as can be. You can hang these on your wall. You could even use them as like a trivet to put warm stuff on, like when you take things out of the oven. It's super, super cute. They're precious. I've got a ton of them hanging on my wall. I just can't get over just how cute they are. And let me show you how easy this is to do. So basically, we have already done all the work for you. What we've done is we put kits together. So we've got the Drunkard's Path, which is one of my favorites. And we have we've actually done some fusible overlay for you that we have cut. And so you will get the backing, the fusible overlay, the entire kit. All you have to do is add batting. It's super, super easy, super quick, super cute. We have the wedding ring, which I love as well. Turns out great. And then we have this little block. It's more like a plus sign, but we have them in several colors, and we will be coming out with more colors in days to come. So let me just show you how cute this is. So in your kit, like I said, you get everything. You get binding, you get backing, you get your top, you get everything but batting, okay? And the reason we didn't add batting, one is people like different lofts of batting. So that's why we didn't add it, okay? So this is what we're making. Basically what we're gonna do, you've got, this is your base fabric for your quilt. And this is the overlay we're going to do today. So let me show you how cute and easy this is. Basically, you're going to take it over to your iron. You want an iron that's warm, medium heat, not too hot. It's important because if it's too hot, it will kind of disintegrate some of the fusible. If you are going to use this project as a trivet, you'll want to quilt it densely so everything stays nicely in place. So I'm just going to give that a quick press just to kind of get it nice and flat. And then we've got the overlay. So the overlay has a backing on it. So what you're going to do is you just need to score that backing on the back. So I'm just going to take my fingers like this, and then I can pull it off. It's just like the large grab and go fusion sews that we have, but these are just in miniature. Okay. So we're just going to pull all that white paper off to expose the fusible. Just remember, when you throw that in the floor, you have to pick it up later. But it's actually very fun. Okay. Okay. So I've gotten all that white paper off the back, and then you're just going to line it up where you want it. What we've done here is when we cut the fusible, we gave you an extra 1/4 inch around the edges for bonding. Okay, so you get it where you would like it to be, kind of place it where you want it. You'll want to use some kind of pressing cloth just in case. We have these pressing cloths here at Stitchin' Heaven. I like them because they're really thin and you can see through them. So we're going to put that over the top, and we're going to press that again with medium heat, somewhere between 5 and 7 seconds in each area. And just make sure you go over every area and get that fusible nice and fused onto the fabric. Okay. Super quick, super easy. The nice thing is there's no cutting for you, and you can get right to the quilting, and they are just cute as can be. We call these grab and go fusion sew itty bitties. Just gonna press it really nice and flat. And we've designed these to look like miniature pieced quilts, okay? So once that's on there, this is what we've got. We're going to add it to our batting, and this is the backing that came in this one kit. So I'm just going to get everything nice and flat. You can pin this if you want. I don't. I just plop it down on there. And as you can see, we've given you plenty of backing to go around. So you've got something to hold on to when you're quilting. Okay, so you can quilt this any way you want. It's super, super simple. I'm just going to do straight lines on my domestic machine, okay? Okay, so now that we have our lines marked, and I just did kind of a cross hatch, you can do anything here. You can also take it to your embroidery machine, put it on the hoop and do some quilting on the hoop, or you can do free motion, you can do whatever you want to do. But today I'm just going to cross hatch just because I like the way it looks. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on my machine. And I'm going to increase the stitch level just a tinge. Maybe to about a 3, just to make this baby quicker for the tutorial. And when I'm doing this, I typically have a plan. I don't like to break thread if possible, just because it takes longer. So I'm going to quickly zoom through this. And you can get as detailed as you want to on this, or you can just do something very simple. But it's a really cute project. It can go in your sewing room. It's a perfect gift for a friend, especially if she or he is a quilter. It's just the cutest little project. Go this way. Not always great about following my lines, but I try my best, and that's okay. But it's just cute. Some people actually do like to go around all their intersections and stitch everything down. It's not necessary, but if you would like to do that, just remember it's in miniature, so it's just going to take a minute, but you're the designer, so anything you'd like to do is just cutest. Just make it cute as can be. I think we're done, and all I did was a very wide cross hatch. You can do a skinny cross hatch as well. You can go as detailed as you would like to go, but it was super, super quick. So now I'm going to give it just one nice press, and then I'm going to square it up. Okay. What's nice when you're squaring it up, it's nice if you can find a ruler that's about the size of your project. So I've gotten, this is about an 8 inch finished. So I'm just going to use my rotary cutter, and I'm going to line up my ruler, just give it a nice cut. Okay. Right at about 8 inches. Let's see. Get rid of that excess. And here's what you've got. So you're gonna have binding in your kit as well. When we did binding, we did it the exact same size as I would if I was doing this quilt behind me. So you use the same techniques of binding on these as you would a large quilt. There's also a hanging sleeve on back, and all of that is in your kit as well. People say, well, where am I gonna hang these little babies? We actually have you covered. Let me show you these cute little hangers we have. We have numerous of these in stock. We've got some that have little hangers on them, but they are the size of your project. They're really cute. So these, you use the hanging sleeve, and these little babies just clip to whatever you're doing. And you can hang them just like this. They're super, super cute. So again, this is the Grab and Go Fuse and Sew Itty Bitties. We have several of them available, and like I said, we're going to be coming out with more every week, so keep watching. You can buy these at www.stitchinheaven.com, and be sure to like us on Facebook. Thanks so much. Have a great day.